Title: The Enchanted Adventures of Benny and Sammy. Once upon a time, in a whimsical world where forests teemed with enchantment and villages gleamed with color, lived two inseparable friends, Benny the bear and Sammy the rabbit. On a sunny day, Benny and Sammy ventured into the heart of the vibrant forest. Their laughter echoed through the trees as they kicked up colorful leaves. Beneath a pile of leaves, they uncovered a weathered treasure map. Excitement sparkled in their eyes as they began their adventure. At the forest's edge, Benny and Sammy stood, ready for their journey. The entrance to the mystical forest beckoned them with its mysterious allure. Unbeknownst to them, a world of enchantment awaited. Deeper within the forest, they encountered their first enchanting creature, bathed in the soft glow of fireflies. The creature's presence intrigued them, promising wonder and secrets yet to be discovered. Their path led them through a forest adorned with magical obstacles, glowing mushrooms, floating orbs, and ancient vines that seemed to whisper secrets of the forest's past. Around a bend, Benny and Sammy discovered a gathering of whimsical forest creatures. Each one was unique, possessing its own charm and personality. Laughter and camaraderie filled the air. Deep within the forest's heart, Benny and Sammy uncovered a treasure chest radiating a magical aura. With bated breath, they opened it, revealing not treasures of gold, but magical seeds. Their return to the village brought vibrancy and joy. Benny and Sammy planted the magical seeds, and instantly, trees of happiness sprouted, transforming the village into a harmonious and cheerful place. The village celebrated with festivities, dances, and joyful interactions. The happiness and unity of the animal characters blossomed alongside the trees of happiness. Their adventure was far from over. Benny and Sammy, even more enthusiastic and closer than before, set off on a new journey, hinting at more exciting stories to come. Beneath a starlit sky, they explored a magical forest filled with shimmering constellations and mystical creatures, expanding their horizons. In the moonlit forest, they encountered a wise old owl whose wisdom would guide them on their path. A dazzling waterfall deep in the forest enchanted them with sparkling, cascading water and ethereal beings. They joined a chorus of birds and forest creatures in a musical celebration of harmony and unity, their voices harmonizing with the natural world. And as they gazed into the horizon, where the forest met the unknown, they knew that endless adventures and mysteries awaited them, filling their hearts with anticipation and optimism. And so, the magical journey of Benny and Sammy continued as they embraced the enchantment of their world, their bond stronger than ever, and their hearts open to the endless wonders of the forest. So, at the end, the magical journey of Benny and Sammy reminds us that life's journey is a treasure trove of experiences and opportunities. It emphasizes the value of friendship, curiosity, unity, and optimism in the face of the unknown. Ultimately, the story encourages us to embrace life's adventures with open hearts, knowing that each moment holds the potential for magic and wonder. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Keep tuned for the next story. Thank you and have a great day.